Morning and welcome to another instructional videos by IT Answers videos. Today I'll be touching on the topic called subdomains. A very popular service out there is called shorten URL, and one of the most popular websites that does this for free is bit.ly.com. Now you must have seen this particular service around because many marketeers and business owners have used this service to shorten URLs that they actually want the public to click on. So instead of typing a very long URL, they use this service to shorten the URL to become bit.ly.com/promo or something like that. Today, the video is to show you can use your own branding, your own domain to create subdomains that points to such long URLs as well. And these subdomains will look professional, very short and easy for your participants and your viewers to type and click into browsers. So let's not delay anymore. We will go straight into this thing called a control panel for your company's branding and domain. This is called a domain controller portal, domain registration portal, domain administration portal. There are many names, but most importantly is this particular domain controller comes with your hosting plan. And in this hosting plan, normally there is this thing called a domain function, and in domains function there is this additional feature called subdomains. Some hosting allows one subdomain, some maybe more. If your hosting does not have more subdomains, please go to my website and drop me a WhatsApp, and I will be able to explain in detail how you can do that for your company. Now, in my case here, this particular hosting allows me to create 5 subdomains, and I believe I can increase that if I want to anytime I want to. Subdomains look something like this. Basically, your domain may look like xyz.com. A subdomain simply means another text word in front of your domain. So I have 2 examples here. bcp.itanswers.sg points to another of my web page. So the subdomain looks something like this. Today I will be doing 2 samples. One is for a Facebook URL, which is not very long. However, I would like to use my branding in there instead of using facebook.com. And the second example I'll be doing today is using the subdomain to shorten Zoom invitation link. And let's go straight in. First of all, this is my Facebook page URL. It says facebook.com/SGIT answers. It is not very long. However, there is no branding there. It has SGIT answers, which is not exactly my company's branding. So what we do is we're going to do a subdomain called facebook.itanswers.sg that will point to my Facebook page. We start by creating a subdomain called Facebook, and the actual subdomain will look like this: facebook.itanswers.sg. And what we do is we copy down the exact link of my Facebook page, and we go back to this feature. It says here manage redirection. This is where we enter the actual URL of the Facebook page in this manner. Let's have a test. Basically, all you need to do is to type facebook.it, and you notice if I were to enter this URL, it will jump or redirect directly to my actual Facebook page. So to the public, all they need to remember is facebook.itanswers.sg instead of my actual Facebook URL. So this is called shortening of Facebook page URL using your subdomain. Let me show you the second example. My meetings. This is a Zoom account. I would like to schedule a new meeting. And after you schedule a new meeting, usually there will be an invitation link, and this invitation link is very, very long. after we save the meeting, there is this part here that says invitation link, and you notice this Zoom invitation link is very long. What we need to do is to right click, copy it, and let's go back to our control panel again, and to create a subdomain called Zoom, which is very easy for anyone to remember. With zoom.itanswers.sg created, let me redirect this URL to the Zoom link. So you have zoom.itanswers redirecting to the actual Zoom link. Let's try it out. zoom.itanswers.sg, and when I enter, it launches the meeting, and I just simply click Open Zoom Meetings. And the meeting will automatically be open, and I simply just need to click join with computer audio. So that's how we shorten Zoom invitation link to a very short subdomain such as zoom.itanswers.sg. I hope what I've shared today will be useful for you when you are doing your marketing, and to be able to make full use of your cPanel to use the subdomain function in your business. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.